Today, let me show you how to make the delicious Sichuan-style hot chili oil at home. It adds so much more flavor when you eat stir-fry, dumplings, a lo mein dish, or a bowl of noodle soup. It incredibly enhances the flavor of the dish. Here are the ingredients for the rich flavor of the hot chili oil. Okay, let's get started. Mince the green onions. Cut the red hot chili pepper. Chop into small pieces. Chop the shallot. Smash and chop the garlic. Cut some ginger. Now, let's scoop all the fresh cut ingredients into 2 separate jars. And the sesame seeds. I'm using a canola and olive oil blend. It has a boil point of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn the heat up and pour all the dry spices into the oil. After a few minutes, you will start to smell the fragrance. The whole kitchen smells so good. Now add some white pepper powder and the ginger we cut earlier. The ideal temperature is about 380 Fahrenheit. If too hot, it could burn the red chili. I'm using a thermometer to test the temperature. Once it reaches this temperature, turn off the heat. Strain all the dry herbs out of the oil. While the hot oil is cooling down a little bit, add some red chili flakes into the jars. This will make it a little bit more spicier. Now pour the hot oil into the jar. Be very careful with pouring because the oil is smoking hot. We also want to pour the oil in several patches so it won't spill out. Stir and let the flavor of the spices come out even better. Pour more hot oil into the jar. Add Chinese balsamic vinegar. I'm using Chinkiang Vinegar. Let this jar to cool down, and I'm doing exactly the same steps for the second jar. Add salt into the jars. The only difference between the 2 jars is one has less red chili flakes, so it's less spicy. Here we go. Now we have 2 jars of delicious hot chili oil that's good to use for a few months. I store them in the refrigerator. Thanks for watching. See you next time.